Before I begin today's video, I want to take a moment to acknowledge the horrible, heartbreaking attack in Pahalgam. My thoughts and prayers with the families who lost their loved ones in this horrible act of violence. May the gods protect you while you are protecting us. Now, let's move on to the video. Hey Kitty fam, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am gonna give you my best of the best skincare, makeup, hair care, body care recommendations and perfume recommendations for this Nykaa Pink summer sale, and these are some of my must haves for this summer. So if you're wondering what's actually worth buying, don't go anywhere because we are talking about light serums, lightweight serum foundations, game-changing sunscreens and hydrating lip tints and so much more. So let's begin. If you have watched my summer skincare video, then you know I am obsessed with Biodance skincare. This is viral in Korea right now for all the right reasons. I cannot stop raving about these products. So these are the sheet mask, collagen sheet mask and Cerenol hydrating mask. Both of these are so affordable, only 380 rupees, and they are right now on 5% off for the first time in India. So grab these, they are gonna go out of stock like this. And these toner pads by Biodance is like a toner pad version of their super viral collagen sheet mask. I thought my skin was doing fine until I used these three products. These are my top 3 recommendations for this summer sale. Do get it while they are still in stock. This is the L'Oreal 24 Hours Tinted Serum Foundation. Now this is one of the most lightweight serum foundation I've ever used. It blends like a skincare. It comes with this dropper and it gives a beautiful radiant dewy finish on the skin. It's very skin-like, so if you are like a no makeup girly, this is for you. However, I do feel that the shade range is very limited. They do need to launch more shades, but I'm in the shade light medium. K-Beauty also launched these cute jelly lip and cheek tints. I have the shade strawberry. Whenever I see this jelly texture, I feel like taking a bite out of it. This is a everyday makeup product. I did not have high expectations for this, but this one surprised me. So if you're like a no makeup girly, this is for you. Beauty of Joseon launched a new sunscreen. I have loved their rice and probiotic sunscreen, and this is Aqua Fresh SPF 50. It has a serum like consistency, so it is much more lightweight. I also love this applicator, and as you can see, it's dripping on my hand. It's that lightweight. It makes my skin so plump and hydrated without making it heavy, and I don't even feel that I'm wearing any sunscreen on my skin. It's feather light. Now let's talk about the serums for this summer, and I am honestly in awe of Skin 1004 serum. This is the most lightweight, soothing, calming and hydrating serum I've ever used, and this is their Centella Ampule. So it has 100% Centella Asiatica, which is so healing on the skin. But I recently tried their tone brightening capsule serum, which is a total hidden gem. It has 4% niacinamide, 2% tranexamic acid and these made white tiny capsules that melt into your skin, fading the dark spots without irritating it. It's tone brightening. For exfoliation, I am not using a chemical peel right now. Instead, I'm using the Panthenol 2% exfoliating gel by Face Shop. This is so gentle, you guys. It's hydrating and it's exfoliating. It removes the blackheads, whiteheads on my skin, and it gives a beautiful glow. Like, it removes the dead skin cells. My newest like replacement for the chemical peels, because Dr. Sheth's peels are not there anymore. So this is so good, highly recommend, and it actually works and so quick to use. I keep it in my shower. मैं अभी गई अपने bathroom में लेके आई हूँ इसको, because I really wanted to recommend this. And if you feel that Biodance is a little bit expensive, then you can go for the Hyphen serum toner pads. These are rice water brightening serum pads. So it has 44% rice water. I actually apply it before my makeup, and my makeup goes on so smoothly. And on the days when I don't have the time for a sheet mask, I just apply these toner pads, 2 here and 1 here. and my skin glows like I got a facial done. These sheet mask and toner pads are like 1,000 times better than any facial out there. Trust me on this. One of my must-have serum for the summertime is actually vitamin C serum. For so many reasons, they actually protect your skin from sun damage. This is Klairs freshly juiced vitamin C, still going strong, and this is the newly launched Plum 10% vitamin C serum. This is one of the most lightweight vitamin C serum I've ever used. Like, it's hydrating, but it does not feel heavy or sticky on the skin, which makes it perfect for this summertime. This is actually way more lightweight than the Klairs vitamin C. So these are 3 toner recommendations for this summer sale. This is a Botox in bottle Cosrx 6 peptide booster serum. If you want to get one plumping and hydrating toner, this is the one. I'm a combination skin type, so I actually layer it with one milky toner. This is the I'm from Rice toner, so lightweight, one of the most lightweight milky toner. So if you're actually oily skin type or dry skin type or combination skin type, you can use it. This is for all skin type. And the Hyphen Ceramide toner is not for oily acne prone skin type, I feel, especially in the summertime. You can use it in the winters, but this is for combination and dry skin type. This is the more affordable version of I'm from Rice toner. 5 sunscreens, which are my top 5 favorite sunscreens. I will leave them in my description box. If you're looking for like a good ingredient list, they are not using OMC, oxybenzone. Most of these have like a new age sunscreen filters, which are very effective, more effective in protecting your skin from sun damage. For summer moisturizers, I am still loving my DU in my Defense moisturizer. Now it's very expensive, that's why I don't recommend it, but I've been loving it. It's so lightweight and just my skin loves it. But for the summertime, I love using lightweight gel based cloud like moisturizers. And put simply, Waterdam moisturizer is one of the best moisturizer I've used from an Indian skincare brand, and it's actually made in Korea, but it's an Indian skincare brand. And then I also love using Neutrogena Hydro Boost. They actually used to come with a tub, but now they have this tube, and I feel that it has gotten more expensive. And Clinique Moisture Surge, these two are one of the most lightweight moisturizers for the summertime. I actually use it under my makeup, my foundation. For face washes, I love the simple refreshing face wash, and right now I'm also loving the Cosrx Nail Mucin face wash, and it literally feels like I'm applying a skincare on my face, not a face wash. It's summertime, and one of the biggest issues is actually smelling bad odor. For that, I highly recommend using a roll-on deo. Fades the hyperpigmentation as well, and it's aluminum free, and I don't sweat in my underarms for whole day, so it doesn't transfer on your clothes. This is one of the must buy during this sale. I'm gonna save you from bad odor. And then a perfume mist that I am in love, because you can see how much I've used it. It's almost finished and I will repurchase it. This is number 69 Cheriosa Sol de Janeiro perfume mist, and it smells like cotton candy with lots of flowers like jasmine. It's like your inner child in a bottle. So fun. I highly recommend it. I think it's my favorite, like my top #1 perfume mist from all their Sol de Janeiro. I've tried all of them. If you want like a separate review, I can do it, but I freaking love it. And again, I layer it with their body lotion. It also has retinol, but oh, it smells so good. I smell so yummy every single day these days. And if you want like an affordable body lotion, then definitely go for the Vanilla Caramello body lotion. I love it. I want like a body oil in this variant. Please Plum launch that. This is damn good. Also Dove launched these mini body scrubs. This is the pomegranate one. You know how much I love it. I have an obsession with these, so this is like a must have. Now I can actually travel with it. I always thought I wish they came in like smaller tubs so that I can travel with it. Now I can, so that is amazing. Yay Dove. Dove needs to, you know, do a sponsorship with me, because at this point I am their spokesperson. And for perfumes, I saw Chanel. I'm gonna give you my 2 most favorite smelling good perfumes. And did you know that Chanel is launched on Nykaa? If you want to treat yourself with a Chanel fragrance, this bottle is a no-brainer. And it smells like flowers. This is spring in a bottle, but this is not very long lasting, let me tell you that. But I actually kind of like that because it's not too strong. It's so subtle, so delicate. It's like a soft feminine girl who's not loud, but her presence is. So this is highly recommended. And the YSL Libre is my favorite. I have finished it this much already, and I will get like a travel sized bottle of it. I think this is one of the most unique one out of all the perfumes that I've recommended right now. It starts with a lavender note, but then it smells like white flowers, jasmine, and orange blossom, which is one of my favorite notes. These are, I think, you can blind buy because it's something that everybody would like. So if you're living in a small town and you can't get the sample, I would bet my money on these two. Now let's talk about the hair care. So I've already made a video, separate video on my hair care favorite. For shampoo, I've been loving the Redken Acidic Bonding Repair Shampoo, but I've already reviewed it, so I'm not gonna review it again here. This is my must buy for this sale, and one hair care product that I recommend to all of my friends, all of my family members, and now to you guys. This is the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil 3-in-1. It's a hair protector. It protects your hair from heat damage. So if you straighten your hair or blow dry them, just apply this oil. It will protect your hair from it. It also works as a serum, so it smoothens your hair and smoothen the flyaways. And third, it also repairs the broken bonds in your hair. I truly feel that these products revived my hair. Today it's very humid because of the rain and all, so my hair is not like that amazing. And for hair mask, I'm using the Love Beauty and Planet Bond Repair hair mask. And for hair oil, I'm still using the Indivild Champi hair oil. This is one of the best hair oil. Packaging is so chic, so classy, but it actually works. It makes my hair so soft after every wash. Now I want to talk about the makeup products for the summertime. I never talk about beauty products on my channel, but I wanted to give you some recommendations that will keep your makeup fresh, long lasting, and sweat proof, like your makeup would not move. Lip products for this summer. I don't think there's anything better available in the market than these Etude House Fixing Tints. I have the shade Cranberry Plum on my lips right now. These are like liquid lipstick, but much more lightweight. I cannot even feel it on my lips, and if you eat something, it doesn't go away. It's still there on your lips. And like, you know, liquid lipstick cracks sometimes when you eat. It's not like that. It goes away beautifully. I have never been the person who will buy face powders, but the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Filter Finish Powder is one of the best one out there. It actually smoothens your skin. Let me show you. I have a oily T-zone, so I constantly produce a lot of oil and sebum here. So do you see this? It just smoothens everything on my face, and it soaks all the oil. So this is a must have for summertime. And for my foundation and a tinted moisturizer thing, I've been loving these two. So this is the Dior foundation. I am in shade 3WO. I will leave it in my description box. One of the most lightweight foundation I've ever used. It's very expensive, I know, but this is like my must have for the summertime. And it's sweat free. It lasts whole day on my skin, and I don't even feel that I'm wearing any foundation on my skin. That's what I want from my base makeup. If you want like a more affordable version of it, then you can go for this L'Oreal Serum Foundation. This is a skin tint in a bottle. So good. Highly recommend for this summer. So I know I said in one of my videos that Dior blush is not worth the money, but I don't know what happened. I kept using it, and somewhere I actually started liking it. I love the pink flush it leaves on my cheeks. I actually use a liquid blush and then go in with this. So yeah, kitty fam, these are all my honest skincare, body care, makeup, hair care recommendations for you. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye kitty fam, take care, stay safe.